Most SUVs today look the same: safe, predictable, and honestly a little boring. But this one, the Nissan X-Trail 2026, just came back sharper, tougher, and smarter, and it might be one of the most underrated electrified SUVs right now. If you're into real car reviews and SUVs that actually make sense for everyday life, make sure you're subscribed, because that's exactly what we cover here. At first glance, the biggest change is right up front. Nissan didn't completely redesign the car, but they made it bolder. The new V-Motion grille is wider and cleaner, giving the X-Trail a stronger road presence. It feels more confident and more premium, closer to what modern SUV buyers expect. The lower bumpers now feature more gloss black detailing, and when you pair that with the 19-inch diamond-cut wheels, the stance feels planted and upscale. Around the sides, black mirrors, wheel arches, and side sills add a rugged, outdoors-ready look without going overboard. At the rear, the new full LED taillights sharpen the design. It's a subtle change, but it makes the SUV feel newer and more refined, especially at night. Add in new colors like Universal Blue and Baja Storm, and visually, this is one of the best-looking versions of the X-Trail so far. But design alone isn't enough. Under the hood, the X-Trail continues with Nissan's e-Power hybrid system. And this is where things get interesting. Unlike traditional hybrids, the gasoline engine mainly acts as a generator, while the electric motor drives the wheels. That means you get smooth, instant response similar to an EV, without needing to plug in. Power comes in at around 201 horsepower for front-wheel drive, and just over 210 horsepower with the all-wheel drive system. In real-world driving, it feels smooth, quiet, and responsive, especially in city traffic. It's not a performance SUV, but it's quick enough for daily driving, merging, and highway cruising without any stress. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. You're looking at around 35 to 40 miles per gallon combined, which is impressive for a mid-size SUV. For anyone dealing with rising fuel costs, that's a big advantage. Step inside, and you'll notice Nissan focused on comfort and refinement. The cabin feels warmer and more premium than before. Materials like quilted leather and wood trim give it an upscale feel, while the layout remains simple and practical. Everything is easy to reach, easy to understand, no unnecessary complexity. Technology is solid too. A 12.3-inch infotainment display, smooth interface, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an available BOSE sound system all add to the experience. Comfort is where this SUV really stands out. Heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and 3-zone climate control make it ideal for families. And the second row offers a smart 40/20/40 split, giving you flexibility for both passengers and cargo. Speaking of space, the sliding rear seats allow you to adjust between legroom and storage, making it perfect for road trips, daily errands, or weekend adventures. So who is this SUV really for? It's for someone who wants efficiency without going fully electric. Someone who values comfort, practicality, and modern design, but doesn't want to spend luxury-level money. And that's what makes it interesting. While other brands are chasing extremes, this SUV stays balanced. It's not trying to be the fastest or the flashiest, it's trying to be one of the smartest choices you can make. But here's the question. Would you choose this over something like a Toyota RAV4 hybrid or a Honda CR-V hybrid? Or does Nissan still have something to prove? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to hear your take. And if you know someone looking for a practical, fuel-efficient SUV, share this video with them. Because the 2026 X-Trail isn't trying to be the loudest SUV on the road. It's trying to be one of the smartest.